Alright guys, so it's my RV. I am wanting to change the shower head out. So I'm going to be going from this little kind of rinky-dink one that comes stock in the trailer to doing this one that is not stock. But it's supposed to be better on water, but just give you an idea here. It's definitely going to be a better shower. So we're going to go through the steps to install this. I'll put the link for this in the description below. I got it on Amazon. Doesn't look too shabby. Looks actually pretty nice. So comes with like a catalog. That's all their equipment. Instructions. Here's something for you to look at. It's got built-in flow restrictor that goes from 2.5 gallons per minute. It reduces it to 2.5 gallons per minute. So that's right inside of here. You can pull that out and get much more water. I am going to try both ways myself. I do want it. This also is what it clicks into. Apparently it rotates and whatnot, so that's nice. I may take that restrictor out. This piece here is like the hose holder piece, but this one looks fine. I'm just going to leave that in there. And this one is going to get replaced with the other one. Other than that, yeah, I'm going to replace that. Is that it allows it to, the other one you can swivel up and down. This one you got like a couple of settings like this or like this. You know, you can angle it different ways, but with this one it's got rotation, so you can actually do more. And then this has a massager, so it pulsates, or just regular like that. So first thing I'm going to do, I believe, is unscrew this one from there. And this should just pull out of here. You should be able to just pull it right on up through that guy, right like that. No problem. Now we got a Phillips head. We're going to take out these two screws in here. There's two of them. We're going to remove those two screws. The problem we're going to have with this new one is that the holes aren't going to line up. The top one lines up, the bottom one's lower. So we're going to get some caulk. We're going to we got a couple of nicks in here, and this bottom one here, we're going to just kind of pick away, make it to where it's smooth, and then fill it in with caulk, touch them up with caulk, and you know, just get a bunch of caulk in there. Now I got some clear caulk to put on there. I'd use white caulk if I had it. I think it would be better to do it with white. I guess clear is going to be fine. I wouldn't use black caulk, because then if you get any on anything, it's going to just show up. So we're going to caulk this. Caulk. You can see I actually put some of the top screw too. That way when I screw it in, it kind of seals it. I just don't want water getting in the back of this panel at all. As much as possible, try to keep everything dry. It's all fiberglass panels or something, so they're all right. But you know, the material on the inside, what's on the inside of this wall here, you know, what's in the floor. You just try to keep the moisture out of everything as much as possible. All right, and then two new screws with these. I don't think I'm going to need the anchors, because these are, you know, I think they're going to work fine. So we're just going to go ahead. I mean, if you have to, drill the holes out, shove an anchor in, but I think I'm going to be fine with this. I'm going to go ahead and get that first screw in. Seeing with this, if I do it down there, you got the old impression of the other one. So I'm going to take this back out, fill it full of caulk, and then I'm going to do new holes on the back side. I'm going to be making new holes. I put the caulk right on this, so that when it goes on there, it'll squish out. Then I'm going to line this right up to right directly above this, right on the line. Why is this not focusing? Right on the line that's indented on that. I'm going to do it right there. As you can see, the clear just kind of squished up. That's perfect. I think I'm glad I actually used clear. We're gonna go ahead and put the second screw in there, and it should squish out a little bit more than that too. Take a rubber O-ring, stick it right inside this. I just reached right in with a pair of needle nose and pulled that out because I'm going to be basically hooked up to a high water pressure all the time. But I'm going to keep this in a drawer just in case I ever need to put it back in, like if I'm running off tanks or something like that. I can put it in if I have to, but I don't think it's going to be an issue. We're going to go ahead and stick this other end of this hose down through this. This side's going to go to the sink itself. Down there, this side here can hang up. And here. Woo. Something you may want to consider doing, I'm glad it fit right there, is making sure that it's going to actually fit. This is going to be great though. That's all the way up there. And even if it doesn't, it's fully adjustable. Look at that. It's going to be an awesome shower. Oh my God. That's going to be so freaking awesome. Hate to get excited about a shower, but when you're out freaking in an RV, you really want to have a good shower. Alright, so that's there. We're going to get this other O-ring here. We're going to put it on this end of the hose and then screw it down on that. This is the first time turning on the shower since I've owned this. It's actually the first time turning on the pump even. So I don't even know what to expect. I just put some water in the tank. So this is running off the actual pump of the tank. Oh, and look, that's like super powerful. Even from the pump. It's doing great. I mean, it's blowing all the way back against the back wall even. It's working awesomely, actually. Now, I'm tall, so I'll have to have this thing all the way up. But my wife and daughters are short, so they're going to love this thing. It's going to be great. Got my niece moving over to Florida, too. She's going to stay in the RV for a little bit. She's going to love this thing. Perfect. This is awesome. Alright guys, this helped you out in any way, shape, or form. Give me a thumbs up. Hit that subscribe button. I'll put this in the description below. I got it on Amazon. Like, really, really not that expensive at all. Yeah, give me a thumbs up. Peace.